Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Well, I am telling you, my fellow subscribers and viewers alike, in 2023, this is January 2023, and we can see that the year hasn't started off that well for some people, especially by our most celebrated athlete, Usain Bolt. And we can see that the real thieves, the high-class criminals, the choppers, them over $30 million they robbed the man. Yes. And the reason why this happened in Jamaica, I have told people from a long time that Jamaica is the paradise. Yes, and some people like, what you mean? Yes, Jamaica is the criminal's paradise. Because only in Jamaica these things could happen. Or on God's earth, a financial institution that, indulge in trading stocks. And this man, $30 million disappear in thin air. And there's no accountability. Number one, for you to move even in the United States of America, for you to move $3,000 from a bank account to the other, it has to be verification, this, that. And it has to be reported, and there's a sheet that they report it on the next day. So all $13 million US disappear from this institution. And it's when the man bank book went zero that they find out. Is what kind is a party shop. This is the money down here in Jamaica with these financial institution. But we know Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, You understand? Look, Jamaica is a third world country. And I am telling you that the political party who allow the banks to be charging people fee to deposit their money and to withdraw their money is the wickedest act ever. The wickedest act ever done to the people. I am not, once to judge certain things that have policies, the first thing, because it's this government and which aligned to that party, give the bank the okay to rob the people, the poor people of Jamaica. Jamaica is a third world country. And then now these people who are making billions by fleecing the poor people in Jamaica. And guess what? The same politician about they like the poor. Like which poor that? That's why they rob Usain Bolt money. And boy, brother Usain, sorry to say I see you say there's a post that he had made that, well, if you're giving them 14 days or thereabout for them to fork up your money, I see you in court. Boy, Virgin, sad to say, but I don't know which court you're talking, because if it's Jamaica court, you're going to dead like Ezra Millwood, You don't know those people, It's Brian Sykes court, they see the deal, See them in court, you have to sue them in a different jurisdiction. If at Jamaica, them going to drag it out until they're dead like Ezra Millwood. You think them people are easy in the PMP LGBTQ plus court? Hey, look, man, you don't know them people. All right, look. Sadiq, let me tell you this, brother Usain. And if you were watching my channel, you don't know that you're not to invest in nothing in Jamaica. Bank, everything, all of the institutions in Jamaica is pure corruption. If you were watching this channel, you would have known that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. I have been telling you people this a long time ago, but nobody's listening. I have been a part of the system and I see how the system works. I'm going to tell you this, Jamaican people. In the early 1990s, I started to investigate. At the time, we did not have any police vehicle at Unsby. None. Yes, man. In 1993, at the time, the great Michael Manley was Prime Minister. We have no police vehicle. I'm talking about Unsby, Kingston. So we have to take taxi at times, pay from my pocket, for investigate cases. Yes. And And if you don't do your job, them can charge you departmentally. And so you're not getting any pay, and they're forcing you to use your own money to do your work. So I had to arrest a man by the name of Charlie Freighter. Boy, this man, the man have address all over in Jamaica. At the time, you have some big phone they call the fridge phone. And this man went to Mr. Tyre, and he had ripped him off already, over 1993 of about $80,000, enough money that, And he went there again now to rip him off, because this man have bank account, so many banks in Jamaica, and the man have trucks like crazy. And I can tell you, that Charlie Freighter, the man, even the bank the man rip off, the man have trucks, trucks that he got loan from, that he got loan from the bank for the trucks, and these trucks now exist. They're not even built. But the racket, he was not alone in it, Even some of the bank managers were involved, Because, I was the arresting officer. And by the time I am supposed to get evidence for arrest some of the bank managers, them disappear. 10 years, migrate. Charlie Freighter case go on and him spend some time in, and I'm telling you, man, the man was very, very convincing. Good man. Good criminal. If you're an idiot police, Charlie Freighter could can you and turn you into the suspect and him into the police. That's how good he is. So if your mind is not strong, I tell you, man. Charlie Freighter, at one time, we were going to St. Elizabeth to one of his co-conspirator, and Charlie Freighter, when we were on with him, and he convinced good detective, and almost escape, The man ate me, because the man said, boy, me ate him and all them things there. But I was just doing my job. You're a street criminal like criminal. Somebody, once them have a certain mindset, you don't treat them with no special treatment. You just treat them how they're supposed to be treated. And that's how I do my job over the years. So I can tell you, man, Usain Bolt, it's a pity. But when you're talking about see you in court, if it's Justice Sykes Court, I can't Justice Sykes Court to talking in Jamaica, because I am telling you, you don't want nothing more than Ian Eales. Ian Eales, the PMP LGBTQ plus member of parliament, it's 4 years, It's 4 years it took the court in Jamaica just to write a two sentence and an application to the court. 2 sentences. It took 4 years. You think all of these people that thief your money, you think the court in Jamaica is going to make you live to get it back? Man, by the time them finish, man, you're dead like Ezra Millwood. You know what they do to Ezra Millwood? Remember, JUTC, JUTC came on stream, out of bad mind, because you have a man named Ezra Millwood, a Jamaican man, and the man started from nothing, from bus conductor, become rich, And boy, Peter Phillips born him, I tell you, some bad mind people, And the man must wait. This man become from conductor and become millionaire and rich, and so that's why because they thought, all right, them scrap the JOS, JOS. You understand? They scrap JOS for, they scrap it and say them privatize the bus system, but them realize now, say boy, money in it, because Ezra Millwood and bus fleets keep growing, and boy, Peter Phillips, the PMP, them never like that at all. So they went at it, and that's how we have JUTC, and he took them to court, and Ezra Millwood don't even live to get back to get the money that the government promised after buying out to give him. The man dead like nit. So I don't know which court you're talking, brother Bolt. But boy, I'm telling you, honestly, I don't know how you sleep to lose so much money. You understand? So, boy, I have to go back and run again. Because, no, seriously, you have to go back and run again on them things, because, boy, the man them thief your money. I whole heap of money that, So what they want you to do now? You know, well, I don't know why. It just sad, Rasta. It's sad, believe you me. But if you believe in the Jamaican court system, let me give some context about it. You remember the Traffiga corruption thing where Colin Campbell collect check from a Swedish company or a company in Netherlands or one of them European country. 13 years to take before them could have deal. 13 years, All criminals who have things to hide, use the law and them things to shield themselves, Until now, them say, boy, you hear them say, Portia Simpson, where she's sick on them things, Portia Simpson don't even know night from there, so she can't come out. Them just wait for her for dead. That may I tell you. So, why Usain Bolt, I don't know how you're going to get the money. But when you say, boy, I see you in court, man, good luck with that, man. You don't know who you deal with, man. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, And worse, you're a poor, you're a poor black man who come from country. Man, them see you, boy, my idiot, man. So they feel like you wouldn't miss your money or anything like that. But I don't know. I don't know how this thing is going to work out for you. But if it's anything, maybe, your wife could have started a GoFundMe. Because people around the world, they will help you still, Start a GoFundMe, Usain, and see what happens. Because, you understand, Saudi Arabia, we all buy, just buy, get all $200 million and just come and just name a place in Saudi Arabia, so Usain Bolt and move your family. So, there's so many opportunity now for you to make even more. So, you can try your luck, you understand, because you name Usain Bolt, you are the big man in the thing, No guy can't take away your legacy, So, yeah, man, Usain start a GoFundMe, man, and look, trust me, believe you me, you're going to make back more than the money that them thief from you. Plus, them have to account for your money and them thing there. But no, Jamaica pay thief, pay corrupt that we have down there. You understand? But boy, I applaud you though if you having faith in Jamaican system. Me? No, sir, I have no faith, Rasta, none. Not even the court. You understand? In Jamaica, if you're a criminal, you have more chances than when you're a law-abiding citizen. And, it's just simple as that. You have better chance if you're a criminal in Jamaica because them take care of you when you're a criminal. You see, man, them have a prison party and man there prison, him no work, and him dress up and man I got a party at prison. So, it's just a different world. But boy, it's like the amount of money you lose on them thing there. Just start a GoFundMe and you will make it back. Believe you me, because people around the world love you. Because if everybody around the world just give you $1, trust me, it will make up for your $13 million where you lose. And Saudi Arabia, I know Saudi Arabia will just give you back that easy. Because you can't go to Saudi Arabia go play football, because remember, say he's a big footballer. And people, you just pay for just come see you, because you're the fastest man ever in the world. So, don't give up. Brother Usain. Yes, man, don't give up, man. Let your wife, start a GoFundMe. Don't bother use no friend and all them things if you start. Because you realize everybody a thief down in Jamaica. I learned that long time, So I treat somebody you trust in Jamaica. Me, myself, and I. I have people even close to me and them thing there who I thought that were my friends. And they were planning to kill me. I knew, not from them, From one of is an ex-police, From somebody who is his friend, but that person is dead. So I can show you that, you can't trust people in Jamaica. Sorry that you lose so much money, but brother Usain, just start a GoFundMe. Believe you me, I see how much money you make. You're going to make it back easy. If everybody around the world give you $1, you become a billionaire. Alright? So all the best to you, Usain Bolt. All is not lost. You can make back the money. Easy. GoFundMe. Alright? If this is the first time to the channel, consider subscribing. Click the notification bell and select all. Like the video, share the video, and comment below. And yeah, man, you can't. On the channel we have people who watch out 20,000 views and all, and with 200 likes. Come on, man. Just hit the like button before you start watch, because you know the content in it is gonna be solid. Because you know, we over here at Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens. What we give you here is the facts. No hyperbole or propaganda. Have yourself a beautiful day. Brother Usain, go fund me. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. And before I even finish Usain Bolt, I have to go back a little. There's no shame for you to come out with a GoFundMe and beg. Nothing wrong with that, because them thief your money. You understand? My mother always saying, my mother saying, it's a man who have pride begging, but a man who not a pride thief. Have yourself a beautiful day, man. Jamaica Young Police Channel out this time, for real.